Good morning. Welcome to Cannin Plannin Q-Tip. I'm Wendy, a senior brand director with Tula 12, and I thought I'd hop in this morning and give you a quick tip on this fabulous Tuesday of our brand new product, the Classic Pro. The Classic Pro is a streamlined, smaller version in that you can there's only 2 strings available, and I'm going to show you a quick thing that you can do with our notepad. I love the new opportunities that are available with our Classic Pro, and one of them is that you can easily tuck the large notepad from our trio set into the pocket right here at the back to have a quick and easy way for you to carry notes that you can easily remove from our tearaway pad. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip from Cannin Plannin. Have a fabulous Tuesday.